Hi, this is Marish. I'm just doing this in response to a question I received, and this is number 5 of the balancing on the 1 through 25 set that's up on Moodle. I can give you the regular handout of this if you'd like something to just look out before you open the Moodle, but otherwise you can do the Moodle one at a time and just work your way through them until you get them right. I highly recommend you do it on paper first, and here's just something you might notice, because this is kind of a more complicated problem. It's a lot more complicated than that novice set. So this one here usually messes with a lot of people because of our hydrogens, and people usually get confused at the hydrogen because I have 1 here and I have 2 here, which is 3. And one thing I will tell you, which I don't know if I made clear, I don't think I said it yet, but odd numbers when balancing, they really suck. They make things really, really annoying, so we don't like them. They're awful. So what I normally do when I see something that adds up to odd, just to start, is I try to make it even first. And the only reason this is odd is because this 2 is even, but this 1 makes it 3. That's what makes it odd, that 1. So I'm going to first start by putting a 2 here. Now that is going to do something. It makes 2 plus 2 hydrogens, which is easy. That's 4. 4 is a nice even number. Even numbers are great. That's supposed to be a plus sign. It also gives us 2 sodiums. And this isn't going to look very good, but it gives me... That's supposed to be here. Oops. 2 oxygens. So everything over here now is even. A 4, a 2, and a 2. So my sodiums, I just have to go over here and put a 2 to make my sodiums even. My oxygen, I have to put a 2 here to make it 2 oxygens. 2 sodiums, Na, and this is 4 hydrogens. As soon as you reach the point where even, or balanced, 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 we're out of elements to balance. We're good. We did it. So 2 Na plus 2 H2O yields 2 NaOH and 1 H2. And I didn't put a 1 here, but when you type it into Moodle, you're going to put the 1. Hope that helps. If you have any more, let me know. I'll do little videos like this whenever I see that you have a question. Good luck. Have a good day.